Hi guys! I have been watching this company for quite a while and I finally did it. I ordered. I'm super excited. I didn't realize they had amazing secret like little deals. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you and tell you all about it. Okie dokie. So I'm gonna tell you what I know as I open this up. This is my very first order with them. From what I have learned, ThreeBirdNest is a family-owned company in California, and they ship out of Texas. On Mondays, they have something called Outfit of the Week, where they have a severely discounted outfit, which is like 60 to 70% off, and that is phenomenal. I have been loving their style for quite some time, but I am thrifty and I just haven't like bit the bullet yet on anything. So once I discovered that they had discounted outfits every Monday, I am totally in. So let's see what I got. Okay, hey, hi Thor. Okay, so one of the things that got me with these outfit of the weeks is that it's like a totally curated, like ready to go matching set. And last week's was this darling, like longer, warmer set. So let's check it out. Okay, first up, a pair of pants that are like long, flowy boho. They're super soft. And oh, very cute. Okay, we've got a really nice stretchy waist. This set was, I got size extra large. So I'm hoping it's gonna be like really big and oversized. The stitching looks nice. The brand is Zenana. I feel like I've heard of that. I don't know. Okay. The second item is this like cute, oversized sweater thing. I don't know how to open this. I don't know. I don't think the other one was tagged, but this one is tagged with their logo, ThreeBirdNest. Super soft, but nice and lightweight. So kind of like a lightweight summer top here with a huge like cowl neck that I think can go, like this thing keeps flopping. Like I think it can go one side, so we will see. Super duper cute. And the third part of the outfit, which is really fun. I don't buy a lot of jewelry, but I really should. It's super noisy. Oh, it's so cute. Wow. Okay, the set is a ton of bracelets. Can you see that? Look, stretchy. I think most of them are stretchy. Not all of them, but they're so pretty. It's gonna be really cute on. Okay, you guys, I'm going to try this on and show you. Ta-da, and here it is. And the cute bracelets. Right, super pretty. We're actually minus a bracelet. There was a loose thread and I pulled it and it untied it. And maybe I'll fix it, maybe I won't. But I would say definitely adds a cute touch. Soft fuzzy top, but kind of thin. So perfect for kind of this weather. And the pants are nice and thin and breezy. The set is the extra large. I'm 5'10", between 155 and 160 pounds. I thought with the fitted little tank, these pants almost look dressy, don't they? Okay, do you guys think it was worth it? $54 for the whole three-piece set? I'm thinking it was. All right, so fun news. I have another one. I had to order the next Monday because I loved it. It should be here in like a few days. So I will be sharing that one as well. All right, till then, I gotta get out of here. It's like hot and bright all of a sudden when it was supposed to be cloudy.